This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must be signed in and have the project loaded before you share. First, save the project with a clear name and write concise instructions so viewers know how to use it. Next, scan sprites and sounds and remove any personal information or external links. This keeps your project safe and compliant. Once done, verify the project runs from the green flag and fix any immediate bugs so the shared experience is smooth for others. Now you click Share in the top right to make the project public. Add a clear description, instructions, and credits so people understand your goal and reuse rules. Then choose or upload a thumbnail that represents the project. Thumbnails boost visibility. Tag the project with relevant topics and set remix permissions. Allowing remix encourages collaboration, but note any asset licenses. Make sure to preview how the project page looks after saving the. Finally, publish and immediately test the shared project by viewing it from another account or an incognito window to confirm visibility and functionality. Once confirmed, post the project link to Scratch Studios, forums, or social channels with a brief invite to remix. If others can't see or run it, clear your browser cache, ensure cloud variables are enabled properly, or duplicate the project and reshare. That often resolves permission or corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.